You know this sentence, but it refuses to come out.
The train doors are closing.
Say this with me, no hesitation.
I need to leave right now.
I need to leave right now.
I am going to miss my train.
I am going to miss my train.
Don't rush, just follow the rhythm. I lock the front door.
I lock the front door.
I walk down the street.
I walk down the street.
The station is 5 minutes away.
The station is 5 minutes away.
But I only have 3 minutes.
But I only have 3 minutes.
That sounded smoother. Let the sentence grow. I start walking a little faster.
I start walking a little faster.
I check my watch.
I check my watch.
I check the transit app on my phone.
I check the transit app on my phone.
The next bus arrives in 2 minutes.
The next bus arrives in 2 minutes.
You'll notice this soon. The panic fades into focus. I see the bus coming down the hill.
I see the bus coming down the hill.
I run toward the bus stop.
I run toward the bus stop.
Wait for me.
Wait for me.
I wave my hand so the driver sees me.
I wave my hand so the driver sees me.
That was clean. Now it feels natural. The bus pulls over to the curb.
The bus pulls over to the curb.
The doors open with a loud sound.
The doors open with a loud sound.
I step onto the bus.
I step onto the bus.
I tap my transit card on the reader.
I tap my transit card on the reader.
It beeps.
It beeps.
Most people drop here. Stay with this. I look for an empty seat.
I look for an empty seat.
But the bus is completely packed.
But the bus is completely packed.
There is standing room only.
There is standing room only.
I move to the back of the bus.
I move to the back of the bus.
I grab the handrail tightly.
I grab the handrail tightly.
Switch it. The bus starts moving.
The bus starts moving.
The driver hits the gas.
The driver hits the gas.
I almost lose my balance.
I almost lose my balance.
I need to hold on tighter.
I need to hold on tighter.
We're stuck in morning traffic.
We're stuck in morning traffic.
The cars are moving incredibly slow.
The cars are moving incredibly slow.
You didn't stop this time. Perfect. I look out the window.
I look out the window.
People are rushing everywhere.
People are rushing everywhere.
Someone is drinking coffee in their car.
Someone is drinking coffee in their car.
Someone else is honking their horn.
Someone else is honking their horn.
It's happening now. We're shifting to a real interaction. Prepare yourself. The bus stops at a major station.
The bus stops at a major station.
A lot of people get on.
A lot of people get on.
Someone bumps into my shoulder.
Someone bumps into my shoulder.
Oh, excuse me.
Oh, excuse me.
No problem at all.
No problem at all.
Sorry, it's really crowded today.
Yeah, it usually is at this time.
Now faster. The person asks you a question. Don't think. Does this bus go to the central station?
Does this bus go to the central station?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
It's about 4 stops away.
It's about 4 stops away.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
That shift, that's important. You didn't hesitate. Next stop, Central Station.
Next stop, Central Station.
I press the stop button.
I press the stop button.
A red light turns on.
A red light turns on.
I move toward the exit doors.
I move toward the exit doors.
Excuse me, getting off.
Excuse me, getting off.
Let me just squeeze past you.
Let me just squeeze past you.
This is where it changes. You step off the bus and enter the subway. The air is cooler down here.
The air is cooler down here.
I walk down the stairs to the platform.
I walk down the stairs to the platform.
I hear the train coming through the tunnel.
I hear the train coming through the tunnel.
The loud rushing sound.
The loud rushing sound.
I stand behind the yellow line.
I stand behind the yellow line.
The train pulls in and stops.
The train pulls in and stops.
Wait, feel that. The urgency is back. The doors open.
The doors open.
I let the passengers get off first.
I let the passengers get off first.
Then I step inside the carriage.
Then I step inside the carriage.
I grab an overhead handle.
I grab an overhead handle.
The doors close behind me.
The doors close behind me.
Now you're ahead. You're in the flow. Suddenly, the train stops in the middle of the tunnel.
Suddenly, the train stops in the middle of the tunnel.
The lights flicker.
The lights flicker.
Everyone looks up from their phones.
Everyone looks up from their phones.
What is going on?
What is going on?
An announcement comes over the speaker.
An announcement comes over the speaker.
Say it like you are trying to listen closely. Attention, passengers.
Attention, passengers.
We are experiencing a minor delay.
We are experiencing a minor delay.
Due to signal failure ahead.
Due to signal failure ahead.
We should be moving shortly.
We should be moving shortly.
I let out a long sigh.
I let out a long sigh.
I am definitely going to be late now.
I'm definitely going to be late now.
This is rare. You felt the frustration there. Keep that emotion. I pull out my phone to send a text.
I pull out my phone to send a text.
I have no signal in this tunnel.
I have no signal in this tunnel.
Of course, no service.
Of course, no service.
5 minutes pass.
5 minutes pass.
Finally, the train jerks forward.
Finally, the train jerks forward.
We're moving again.
We're moving again.
Something is shifting. We're speeding up now. The train arrives at my stop.
The train arrives at my stop.
I rush out the doors.
I rush out the doors.
I jog up the escalator.
I jog up the escalator.
I tap my card on the exit gate.
I tap my card on the exit gate.
And walk out into the fresh air.
And walk out into the fresh air.
Let it come out. Free flow now. Minimal guidance. The commute is finally over.
The commute is finally over.
I need it.
I made it.
I'm only 5 minutes late.
I'm only 5 minutes late.
It could have been worse.
It could have been worse.
I take a deep breath.
I take a deep breath.
My day is just starting.
My day is just starting.
But the hardest part is done.
But the hardest part is done. That felt different, didn't it?
You stayed longer this time.
You've been practicing with us.
There's something waiting below.
Not just listening.
Something you can actually use.
Most people won't take the next step. Tell us, where did it feel easier?
Or where did you hesitate? We read everything.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
And see you next time.